friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have got a quick and easy video compilation of recipes for you. We are making breakfast toast and we're going to be making it 8 different ways. So I have 2 posts that are up on the blog. One is about hummus toast, one is about avocado toast. So I was like, what if I just put those all together into one video and gave you a fun way to make breakfast toast, 8 different ways, all of which are healthy. There are a ton of different flavor combinations and there should be something for everyone. So we've got 4 different hummus toast recipes, 4 different avocado toast recipes. Not every single one of these recipes is vegan. I will share vegan alternatives if you are a vegan watching this video. And I also have an additional 9th option that is up on the blog, which I will link down below for you. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive in. Don't forget to check the links down in the description box for the recipes in today's videos. If you have any questions for me, bread recommendations, anything like that, drop those down below and I'll get back to you. Otherwise, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we're gonna start by making the hummus toast, and the first one we're gonna make is a Greek salad hummus toast. We're gonna start with the Greek salad. The salad is a base of tomato, and then we have some chopped up cucumber, chopped up olives, some chives, as well as a little bit of lemon juice. And you can just stir that together and set it aside. Doesn't need salt because of the olives. It's really delicious. Then we will have our piece of gluten-free toast. I will link this one down below for you, and you spread it with your favorite hummus. I just used regular traditional hummus. I like to do about 2 tablespoons of hummus per piece of toast. Then you will just dollop on top your delicious Greek salad, and that is it for this one. It's so bright and tangy and flavorful and really good savory option. Hummus toast number 2 is our honey, blueberry, and mint hummus toast. Again, we're gonna start with our toasted bread slathered with your favorite hummus. This one is good with original. It's also really good with like a lemon hummus if you can find that. And we'll finish off by topping it with some fresh blueberries as well as some chopped up mint. And then I like to drizzle on a little honey at the end. It adds a little nice of sweetness. If you don't like honey, you could also use agave or a drizzle of maple syrup. And it just is so bright and flavorful and delicious. Our third hummus toast is a strawberry jam hummus toast. Again, we're gonna start with our piece of bread and we're gonna slather it with your favorite hummus option. I like original with this one. And then we're gonna do a dollop of strawberry jam. You could also just use a regular, whatever kind of jam you want. And we're gonna kind of make like a swirly pattern using our spoon. So we've got a jam swirl, and then you will finish it off by topping it with some sliced strawberry. And I always like to add a little crunch at the end, so we're gonna top it with some chopped up hazelnuts. And this one is definitely my favorite. You guys have to try it. It sounds weird, but it's delicious. Our final hummus toast is a kind of Mexican-inspired hummus toast. We are gonna start again by slathering our delicious piece of toasted bread with your favorite hummus. This one is also really good with garlic as well as roasted red pepper, and also if you could find like a taco-inspired hummus, it's really good with that flavor. And then we will top it with your favorite jarred salsa. I had like a smoky salsa, it was really good, as well as some chopped up avocado and some sprinkle of cilantro. And this is awesome for any savory lover out there. All right, now let's move on to our avocado toasts. So we're gonna start by making our garlicky kale avocado toast. We're gonna start with the kale. You'll add some chopped up green kale to a saute pan, add in some water, and we're basically just gonna steam the kale until it's nice and wilted. From there, you will add in some garlic powder as well as some salt and some pepper flakes if you'd like a little bit of heat, and that's it for the kale. Once you have the kale done, you can move on to your toast. You're gonna top it with about half of an avocado that you've mashed, spread it out evenly, and then top the avocado with your garlicky kale. Finish it with some red pepper flakes for a little heat. This is also awesome with a little truffle sea salt on top. And there you get it. You get your greens, your healthy fats, your avocado toast. You can't beat it. Second avocado toast option is another kind of Mexican-inspired one. We are gonna start with our base, which is going to be refried beans. So you can just buy any sort of refried beans and smother it on top of your piece of toast. And then we're gonna top the refried beans with a layer of mashed avocado. Then we're gonna finish with some sliced tomato, as well as a sprinkle of cilantro. And this one is great because it's got all the goods: protein, healthy fat, and good flavor. Next avocado toast is a red onion and caper avocado toast. We are gonna start with the base of your favorite vegan cream cheese. This kind of gives it like a nice tang to it. I like Kite Hill. And then I will top it with some sliced avocado. Top that with some thinly sliced red onion. You could also use pickled onions, that's delicious. And last but not least, some capers. And the capers are gonna add a really nice briny flavor, some salt, and a ton of tang. I also always finish it with a little crack of fresh pepper because it looks nice and it adds a little bit of kick at the end. This one is absolutely scrumptious. And then our final avocado toast is just a simple egg and avocado toast. We're gonna first start by frying an egg, and you probably know how to fry an egg, so I don't really need to talk you through how to do this. Don't forget that if you don't eat eggs, there is another option on the blog, so find that link down below. Once you've got your egg nice and cooked to your liking, you can just remove it from the heat and we will make our toast. So you start by adding your smashed avocado onto the base of your toasted bread. Spread it out evenly, top it with that gorgeous fried egg, some pepper flakes for a little heat, and you can just dig right in. This is also, again, great because it's got the protein, the healthy fats, and I love fried eggs and avocado. They're just so good together. And there you have it, my friends. I hope you enjoyed our toast recipes. I can't wait to hear which one you're most excited to try. I really flip-flop between the hummus and the avocado. I'm a big avocado fan, but I also just love the idea of hummus as the base because it adds like creaminess, it has a really nice flavor, it adds protein, and it's really easy to like change up in pretty much any way that you want, especially those sweet flavors. Might not seem like it makes sense, but I promise it's delicious. The strawberry one is phenomenal. So make sure to let me know by responding to the comment that I've dropped down in the comment box and let me know which one you're going to try first. I also just want to throw out there again, all of these recipes are up on the blog, so I'll link those down below for you, and there is an additional 9th avocado option that is in that blog post if you don't eat eggs. So hopefully there's something for everybody in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe before you go and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Otherwise, I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day. I really appreciate you being here, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!